In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install F-PROT Antivirus on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To do this, you need to go ahead and through your browser, just search for F-PROT like that, Antivirus. And here we shall be taken to Softonic website here. So if I click on this, you can see we have F-PROT Antivirus here for Windows. Here you'll see more information about this antivirus. You can go ahead and read through it. To get this antivirus, you can either download it directly by just clicking here, download for Windows, or down below here you can see also the same option to download F-PROT Antivirus for Windows. If I go ahead and click on this, it will open this further page. Now I can proceed and tap on download, and this will immediately start the download. And as you can see, the download is on here. And here I'm told your download is ready to install. So you are told if your download doesn't start automatically, you're supposed to click here. And now once it's done, I'll go ahead and click on it. So go ahead and then install it by double clicking on it. So that's how you can install this F-PROT antivirus on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.